Hi everyone! Welcome to this special 7-day yoga journey made just for beginners. If you're new to yoga, this is the perfect place to start. Before we begin, if you're excited about this journey, please click the like button on this video. If you want to see more yoga videos, subscribe to my channel, and tell me about what you think of this video in the comments below. Now let's start this amazing journey together. This 7-day routine is made to be easy, simple to do, and very rewarding. You don't need any experience, just an open mind and a willingness to try. Over the next 7 days, we'll move our bodies in ways that feel good, connect with our breath, and find moments of quiet and peace. Yoga is about trying your best, not being perfect. Remember to listen to your body and what it needs every step of the way. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support our channel and stay updated with more yoga routines. Welcome to Day 1. Today, we're focusing on feeling grounded and finding our center. This practice will help you connect with your breath and feel more present. Sit comfortably on your mat, either with your legs crossed or stretched out. Gently close your eyes and pay attention to your breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling your belly get bigger. Breathe out slowly through your nose, letting your body relax. Keep breathing deeply for 5 to 10 minutes, just noticing the natural rhythm of your breath. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to feeling your breath. Welcome to Day 2. Today we'll wake up our bodies and boost our energy with a gentle flow. This sequence will help your blood flow better, make you more flexible, and leave you feeling refreshed. We'll start with cat-cow stretches, gently moving between curving and straightening our spines. Breathe in as you arch your back, looking up. Breathe out as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. Repeat this flow 5 to 10 times. Next, we'll move into downward facing dog. Put your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. Push into your hands and lift your hips toward the ceiling, making an upside-down V shape with your body. Hold downward facing dog for 5 to 10 breaths, moving your feet one at a time to stretch your calves and the back of your legs. Welcome to Day 3. Today we'll focus on stretching and making our muscles stronger. This practice will help improve your posture, make you more flexible, and build strength. We'll start with Warrior 2 pose. Step your right foot forward and bend your right knee, keeping it lined up with your ankle. Stretch your arms out to the sides, looking over your right hand. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Next, we'll move into Triangle pose. From Warrior 2, straighten your front leg and reach your right hand forward, resting it on your shin or ankle. Stretch your left arm towards the ceiling, feeling a stretch along the side of your body. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Day 4. Rest and rejuvenation. Welcome to Day 4. Today is all about rest and feeling refreshed. We'll be trying out gentle, restorative poses that help you relax and release tension. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Put your hands on your belly and close your eyes. Let your body sink into the mat as you relax. Next, we'll move into supported child's pose. Bring your knees wide apart and let your big toes touch. Rest your forehead on the mat or a blanket. You can stretch your arms forward or rest them alongside your body. Stay in supported child's pose for 5 to 10 minutes, letting your breath calm you down. Day 5. Back to basics. Welcome to Day 5. Today, we're going back to basics with a gentle flow that focuses on the most important yoga poses. This practice is perfect for checking your alignment and understanding each movement better. We'll start with mountain pose, standing tall with your feet hip-width apart and your arms at your sides. Press down through your feet and lengthen your spine. Feel the strength and stability of this important pose. From mountain pose, we'll flow through a series of sun salutations, connecting our breath and movement as we move through poses like forward fold, plank, cobra, and downward facing dog. Day 6. Cultivating balance. Welcome to Day 6. Today we're challenging our balance and coordination with poses that improve stability and focus. This practice will help you build strength, improve concentration, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. We'll start with tree pose. Stand tall with your feet together. Shift your weight onto your right foot and place the sole of your left foot on your inner right thigh or calf. Bring your hands to prayer position at your heart or extend them overhead. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Next, we'll explore half moon pose. From a standing position, step your right foot back and turn your left foot slightly outward. Place your left hand on the floor in front of you and extend your right arm towards the ceiling. Look up at your right hand and hold for 5 to 10 breaths, then switch sides. Day 7, celebrating your practice. Welcome to Day 7. Today we celebrate your dedication and progress throughout this 7-day yoga journey. This practice is a time to be thankful for your body and mind and to embrace the transformative power of yoga. We'll begin with a gentle flow to warm up our muscles and get our bodies ready to move. Then, we'll try out a variety of poses that we've practiced throughout the week, allowing ourselves to move more smoothly and easily. As we move through each pose, let's focus on the present moment and be grateful for our breath, our bodies, and the chance to practice yoga. Continuing your yoga journey. Congratulations on completing this 7-day yoga journey. You've taken the first steps toward a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. Remember, yoga is a practice, and the benefits come with time and consistent effort. Keep up your practice by trying different styles of yoga, going to classes, or practicing at home. Listen to your body, respect your limits, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Namaste.